Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Unontobeko Wakangubane. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. If you are wondering what this channel brings, it brings you all the political news, all the breaking news happening around South Africa today. ANC Gauteng has decided to go with Action SA and not the DA. Cecilius Brink was removed yesterday as an executive mayor of the city of Tshwane. The thing is, even the Auditor General complained about Tshwane. The workers were not getting their salary increase for about 4 years. No wonder the workers were so happy when he was removed. Townships in Tshwane are dirty and neglected, and they only service the upmarket areas. Helen Zille uthi ANC Gauteng has ignored instructions from ANC National for them to work with the DA in Tshwane. UTK uthi kuyamangaza lokho kushiwo uZille. Uthi i-DA is starting to look like a faction in the ANC.
DA, especially, I mean, I even had that view today in council. DA is starting to act like a faction in the ANC, and it's very worrying. Because, and I don't understand what is their issue and how do they think they can divide the African National Congress in the province and national. We have never, not even once, worked against our national leadership. Not even once. They use ghost accounts to attack the provincial leadership. They go live and they're emboldened to speak about meetings that they're not part of as Democratic Alliance and say Panyaza, Lusuf and TK Ngiza, ANC and the faction. They don't even sit in the ANC.
Is someone not leaking information to them?
If it's leaking, then it's for their own good. The reality is that that's not a fact. I'm saying to you, ANC is not an organization where you can do that. It's not a federal organization. It's unilateral in its nature. That's the African National Congress. There is no provincial leadership that can go against a view of a national leader.
It's very worrying, guys. Ikhona lempimpi yalogogo kwi-ANC ngeke. It could be someone who is against uPanyaza running for ANC president in 2027. What do you think of this? Please do share your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Don't skip the ads and turn on that notification bell. I will see you on my next one. Bye.